Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Wi-Fi option in a Lloyd AC remote. This easy method allows you to manage your air conditioner conveniently from your smartphone, whether you are at home or away. We will cover the simple steps to get your AC connected, from downloading the necessary application to successfully pairing your device. Get ready to experience enhanced comfort and control with just a few taps on your phone, making your cooling experience smarter and more efficient. Before connecting, first ensure your Lloyd air conditioner model supports Wi-Fi functionality and has the module installed. Next, head to your smartphone's App Store, whether it is the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for the official Lloyd AC Smart application. Download and install it. Once installed, open the application and follow the prompts to create a new user account. You will typically register using your email address or a valid phone number, setting up your profile for smart control. Now let us pair your air conditioner. Take your Lloyd AC remote and locate the dedicated Wi-Fi button. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. Your AC unit will then enter pairing mode, usually indicated by a blinking Wi-Fi light on its display panel. Open the Lloyd AC Smart application on your phone. Within the application, select the option to add a new device and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided to complete the connection process successfully. With your Lloyd AC now connected, you can enjoy a new level of convenience. Use the application to effortlessly adjust the temperature, change fan speeds, or switch between various operating modes like cool, dry, or fan, all from your smartphone. You can also set up personalized schedules, ensuring your AC turns on before you arrive home or switches off automatically to save energy. This smart control offers unparalleled flexibility and efficiency for your cooling needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.